Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Italian margherita pizza. Let's start with the foundation, the dough. Using high-quality 00 flour is crucial for that perfect, chewy crust. You'll combine about 500 grams of flour with 300 milliliters of water, a small amount of fresh yeast, and a pinch of fine sea salt. Knead this mixture for a good 10 to 15 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic, ready for its first rise. Next, let's talk about the toppings, which are surprisingly simple yet incredibly important. For the sauce, use high-quality crushed San Marzano tomatoes, seasoned only with a little salt. For the cheese, fresh mozzarella is key. Aim for about 125 grams per pizza. Tear it into small pieces. Finally, fresh basil leaves are essential for that classic aroma and a pop of color. Now for the exciting part, assembly and baking. Gently stretch your risen dough by hand, working from the center outwards to create a thin, round base with a slightly thicker edge. Spread your simple tomato sauce evenly, then scatter the fresh mozzarella pieces. Bake your pizza in a very hot oven, ideally around 450 degrees Celsius, for just about 90 seconds to achieve that perfectly blistered crust. Congratulations, your authentic margherita pizza is ready. After pulling it from the oven, let it rest for just about 1 minute. This brief pause helps the cheese settle beautifully and prevents it from sliding off when you cut it. Use a sharp pizza wheel to slice your masterpiece into 8 even pieces. Serve it immediately to savor the incredible combination of crispy crust, tangy sauce, and creamy mozzarella. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.